Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Angela Sweet. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys like an eyeshadow using just two eyeshadow color. So guys, I already draw my eyebrows off cam, and next I'll be going in with this Blend Pro concealer for my eyes. I'll be using that for my eyes. It dries off so quickly, so guys, you want to be really fast. I'll go in with the first eye, then I'll just blend before doing the other part of my eyes. Next guys, I'll be going in with this Sasha Matte Buttercup setting powder to just set my eyes. So next I'll be going in with this Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, and I'll be going in with this color and this color. This is orange color and yellow color. So after tapping it on my eyelid, I'll just go around my crease areas and just gently, without using too much force, and just blend it. So next guys, I'll be going to above my crease, just around my crease though areas upward, and just gently, without using too much force, using a circular motion, and just blend that and apply that in these areas. And just alright, so I'll go to the other side and do the same. So guys, I just feel that the yellow color didn't flawlessly blend out, so I'm using this brush, this fluffy brush here to, you know, go over it just to make it look really flawless. I'll go to the other side and lay that. Alright, so for my lid areas, I'm going to tap into that orange color again because I have the yellow color all up on top of it. So I don't want to lose that, so I'll just go with the same. You don't want to lose it. Alright, so that is the end of this eyeshadow look. You can see it's very simple and very beautiful. Alright, so this is how it is. Alright guys, you can see that this wig is very simple to achieve. Now that I'm through with this, I'll just go ahead and do the other part. Alright guys, I'm through with the wing line. I'm through drawing my wing line, and you can see that there are that it's really not sharp and perfect. So we want to clean these edges so that it can look really fine. I'll just go ahead and use my foundation because I don't want to, you know, mess it all up. So now that I'm through with my eyeshadow, I will just go ahead and prime my face. So for my face today, I'll be using, so for my primer today, I'll be using 4K Case Beauty Golden Edition. For my face, I'll go in with this, and I'll be going in with this pound because I want to have a long lasting oil-free makeup. I'm actually going and I'm staying long, so I want this makeup to last for a very long time. So after priming my face, I will be going in with these two eyeshadow, which is the Fit Berlin foundation, and this is the color. You guys know this is my newest foundation routine. Okay, I'm mixing this up because I feel that my face and my neck down doesn't really rhyme completely. Like the skin tone is actually a little bit off, so I'll just mix these two together to give me the perfect, okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, the perfect shade. And I'll be using just a little because it's the full coverage. Now we'll just go ahead and blend. Now we're going in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So guys, now that I'm through with highlighting my face, I will just go in with this palette. You guys by now should be familiar with this palette. I'll go into these 2 colors because none of them is actually my right shade, so I'll just tap into those gently and I'll just, you know, apply just small. I just want to contour really small, and I'm just going to blend very well. Okay. Okay, so I don't need much. I think this is okay. So guys, I don't want to wait for it to bake. So guys, I don't want to wait for it to bake, so I'll just dust it off completely because I remember I told you guys that it's Hamatan now. I'm through with setting my highlight areas. I'll just go ahead and use this gel eyeliner. It's actually 2-in-1. I'll go with the black. So guys, now I'll just go ahead and contour my nose. So I'll just go ahead and blend because I don't want people seeing those lines. So next guys, I'll just go ahead and highlight the area that I want. Tip of my nose. Alright guys, for my lips, I'll be using this 2 shade. This is SOC of colors, and this is the one I don't have a name, but it's a very fine color. I'll use it for my lips. First I'll go with this wine color. So next I'll be going with this eye pencil because I want it to be a little bit dark. So guys, after going in with that nude, I just realized that that is not, it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so I'll be going into this color. This is the MAC. This is the MAC lip gloss. So for my eyelashes today, I'll be going in with this classic super hold lashes. Alright guys, so I already have my eyelashes on, and next I'll just wait for about 30 seconds and I'll just wet my hands and press them on. Okay, so guys, I'll be back. So guys, I'm through with my lashes. Wearing my lashes already, as you can see. Now I'll just go in with this Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix aloe vera, and I'll just spray my face. Wow. So guys, that is the end of this. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, you guys can see that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you guys again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.